succeed a bright sunshine.
Yes.
In that land,
Yeah.
a perfect day.
Yes.
When the mist have rolled away,
Yeah.
we will understand it better by and by. Well, down here, trials dawn on every hand, and we cannot understand all the ways that God would lead us to that blessed promised land. But he guides us with his eye, and we'll follow till we die, for we will understand it better by and by. By and by. When the morning comes, by and by. When the strength of God go gather at home, by and by, we'll tell the story. Yes, how we overcome. And we'll understand it all better and by and by. But in the now, we walk by faith. But in then, we will walk by sight. I don't know about you today, but I'm so glad. I'm glad that death is not the last word. I'm glad that someday you can say with the Lord, you are worthy. Our God is worthy to receive glory and honor. Some glad day we'll be able to sing, it's done. All tears are wiped away. It's done. No more hearses running. It's done. No more goodbyes. It's done. No more memorial service. Every day will be a day of thanksgiving. I don't know about you, but some glad day